I wonder what this little thing can do. Today I'm going to be reviewing PECODE's compressed air duster, 280,000 RPM. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is insane air duster, weighs just under 1 pound. This is what it looks like. 98% here. It has 4 settings here. That's 80,000 right there, 140, 200,000 RPMs, and 280. And that cycles through it. Of course, you can just hold that down and it turns it off. What's really nice is you're going to get 5 different attachments. Here's one of them. These are really good, especially if you got to clean crevices, because this is super powerful. This one's really nice. I was playing with this one earlier. This one, they just push on there like that. Clean your keyboards, blow leaves. Use it as a hairdryer. It's very portable. You get about 90 minutes plus on a charge. Continuous use. You're going to have no problems. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.6 stars. And last month, 800 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.